gabi. Nagpakita ka ng magandang performance. Si Mami Mega.
Hello, Tara.
At si Kuya Ogie.
Hello, Tara. Hello. Mama is here, Tara. Hello, Tara. Oh, you're so busy.
Pero Tito Gary, mauna ka na. Mag-bake ka na nga. Comment? Okay.
Hello.
Sumasabog yung expressions mo because you are an artist that has so much soul. Kaya yung pagkanta mo kanina,
Hello.
talagang damang-dama ko yung kanta mo. It became your song. You became Jaya. You studied every move that she had. It really deserves a standing ovation. And so,
Thank you po.
kahit hindi ako tumayo kanina, ngayon katayo.
Thank you, Sir Gary.
Galing. Vocally, emotionally, you were on point.
Thank you
Congratulations.
po, Sir Gary. Yeah.
Kuya Ogs?
Actually, nakatayo na ako ngayon.
Hello. Hello, baby.
Hello. Yan ang King of All Souls Day.
You're having your
Anyway,
finger
I
again.
really know her. So you're singing the high tones, the low tones, your hand gestures. It was just perfect. Ikaw ang CEO ng pang-impression, di ba? Talagang na jaya putumaya mo siya.